Take a ride in the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, ventilated front seats. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, adjustable pedals, overhead console. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Your new ride is just a phone call away.